mean, bruh, just look at this difference. That black throughout the entire tail light now, blacked out Dodge, blacked out emblems versus this. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Clutch 392, and we are back with another banger. Now, if you are new to the channel, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Today, as you all can tell from the thumbnail, we're going to be installing this Luxe Auto tint across this taillight assembly here, kind of blacking everything out. So, without further ado, let's dive in. As for what you can expect to get in your package, like I said, this is going to be from Luxe Auto Concepts. Very, very reputable company. You're going to have your installation instructions right here, which you won't need because you have this video. These gloves are not going to come with the package. I just like to wear them because it makes me look important when I'm really not. You're going to get your microfiber cloth here. You're going to have a little squeegee here to push air bubbles out if needed. Oh, they gave you a little sticker. And most importantly, your prep spray. So guys, it just rained here, so I would not advise installing this stuff in the rain after it rained. Also, no direct sunlight because that prep spray that they got, it will haze up your surface. All right, so here's a good thing. These are already pre-cut, guys. So all you have to do, there's 4 of them in there. It's gonna be one for the small side, one for the big side, same thing over there. So all you have to do is basically, guys, you're just gonna line it up and put it on just like a sticker. I was able to get this for $31. Focus, there we go. $31 shipped out to me. So I mean, you cannot beat that price. So let me show you guys how easy it is to get this on. All right, so just like I mentioned earlier, you're gonna want to make sure that your entire area is nice and dry, cleaned. Gonna give it a couple of sprays with this, not in direct sunlight, guys. I cannot stress that enough. If you can do it on an overcast day like this, that is perfect. You're gonna match up the shapes that you're gonna need. So just like that. And just like that, so that you know that you have the right one. And guys, why these are so essential is that normally, this doesn't look too bad on my car, but normally you're gonna have chrome everywhere. Your Dodge is gonna be written in chrome. Your Hellcat logo or your 392 is gonna have chrome on it. You have all this red here. You're gonna have this clear area here that is basically like chrome. You wanna get rid of as much of that as possible, and that's when these come into play. So we'll start on the small side here. What I like to do is I peel away a little corner, just like that. And once again, guys, you do not need these gloves. You can do this bare hand. Gonna get it lined up. The best thing about this is if you place it down and you don't like the way it sits, you can peel it back off. There we go. And you're just gonna rub it in with your fingers, guys, finding any air bubbles, trying to get them out. If you run into a spot and you see a bubble in there, just peel it back off a little bit. Start the process over again. Slowly work your way across, not any air bubbles. So as you can see, there's some bubbles there. Just gonna back it off a little bit and redo it. Voila, guys. Now you're gonna have a little bit of overhang on this side here. All you have to do, pop the trunk, push it down with your fingers. Some people like to get either a heat gun or anything to apply some heat and do this. It'll make it shrink towards it, but you really don't have to, not with this product. And look at that, guys. Already it's looking good. So let's dive into the big side. So enough with the gloves. They honestly, it just got in the way. So no gloves, guys. Get your corner peeled, get it lined up. Out the air bubbles. I mean, this is probably the simplest and cheapest modification that you can do to these cars that has so much appeal to it after you're done. I mean, it's like night and day different. Now, before I finish this, I do want to show you guys something that they sent. So this is absolutely not needed, but this right here is a squeegee that I was saying that they sent. So you can also use this. If you don't want to use your fingers, you can use this to rub out the bubbles as well. This actually works a little bit better than doing it with your fingers. Boom. Look at that, guys. Freaking amazing. Don't forget, pop the trunk, rub your edges down, ignore my messy trunk that I have my car cover in. Wow, guys, I mean, I'm speechless. Look at that. $31 shipped to your store. Night and day difference. Let me show you guys. I mean, bruh, just look at this difference. That black throughout the entire tail light now, blacked out Dodge, blacked out emblems versus this. I mean, that is night and day difference, guys. So like I said, Luxe Auto Concepts, $31 shipped to your house. You cannot beat it, guys. I'm gonna wait till the sun goes down. I'm gonna get you guys some video footage to show you just how much this decreases the light, because one thing that I did not want is dim brake lights and dim turn signals. Also your reverse light. So from the review so far, the light still shines through perfectly. Also, Luxe does sell 3 different tints of these, so you can go lighter, darker. I think I got the darkest one there. So I'm gonna give you guys a couple beauty shots, give you guys the night footage, and that is a wrap. Make sure you all hit that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next go round. Peace. All right, so here's the video at night. Left side not being tinted, of course, right side being tinted. The left side is obviously a little bit brighter, but it's not a big enough difference to keep me from buying this product. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a comment. Peace.